So I'm currently staying at this hotel in Palo Alto, California. And I went to go get some chips out of the vending machine, and this is what I saw. Next to the pool are these vending machines. These vending machines look very normal until you realize that all the food in it is very, very expired. As you can see, the date is September of 2025 on these bag of chips. And over here, they're all very sun damaged. This is crazy. We got another one, September of 2025. This one says September as well. Machine still works, so I'm gonna get some of these and see how they taste. Well, I don't want to try them, but I'm gonna see if my parents want to. Okay, F6, $1. Put them in. Coin. I guess it doesn't work. I don't know. F6. No, are you kidding me? Let's try B6. Okay, so we got the expired chips. You can now see the comparison between these ones, the sun damaged, and these ones. Hey, do you want to try this?
Sure.
So what does it smell like? Just regular?
Maybe spicy sweet chili. Not bad.
So what is your rating? 0 out of 10 for these expired over a year chips from a motel.
These are as good as any Doritos I've ever had.
Awesome.
Wow.
That is crazy. So my parents are still eating them, and they just finished the back. Wow.